Dictionaries are books that list all the words in a language. The words are organised in alphabetical order. You can look up how to spell a word, what a word means, how to say a word, what part of speech a word is, how many syllables are in a word, whether or not to capitalise a word, how to abbreviate a word, meanings of prefixes and suffixes for a word. We use the following steps. Find the right section in the dictionary for the word. It is in alphabetical order. Use the guide words to locate the correct page with the word. They are at the top of each page and provide the first and last word on that page. Use the keywords in bold on the page to find your word. Use the example sentences to ensure you have the correct meaning of the word. Remember that keywords are always singular, so when looking for the word children, you need to look for child. You can watch this video at any time.